guys, it is currently post Thanksgiving week and I am definitely feeling it today. I am so tired and my body, you know, it's just not at its peak right now. I indulged in so many amazing treats the past week and weekend, and today I just really want to focus on getting back on track, treating my body right, being active, getting ourselves together. I have been neglecting my body recently. I don't know what it is about holidays. I feel like we could all kind of relate to this, but when the holidays come around, everything just gets like so chaotic, stressful, and all of my routines kind of just fall to the wayside. So I haven't worked out in like 2 weeks now, and my body just feels so much better when I am staying active and when I am eating right. Like, I've had a lot of junk food recently and takeout, and not only my body but like my skin as well. So today is all about wellness, self-care, and getting back on track. First things first, the 5-minute journal. This is one of my favorite things ever, and I have been neglecting it recently. Sometimes I just get like so caught up and forget to do it in the mornings, but it really does set me up for having a good day.
Welcome to this practice on cultivating body awareness. In this meditation, we're using the body scan technique to create an awareness of what ease and unease feel like in our bodies.
Welcome to your 20-minute beginner run. A resistance of 20 to 30. So right there, parallel. Use that inner thigh muscle to keep that arm form. Form is never aiming for perfection.
I started that workout so cold because it's freezing outside today, and now I am burning up. Okay, we are nice and clean. I love a post-workout shower. It makes me feel so nice and refreshed. But since we're spending a little bit more time on self-care today, I'm going to take a little bit more time with my skincare routine. This portion of today's video is actually sponsored by Proactive. I'm going to be using their Proactive MD line and sharing my acne journey with you guys. Since I was a teenager, I have struggled with acne, specifically along like my chin here, a lot of like hormonal breakouts, and definitely like food sensitivity sort of breakouts, especially like now that we're like post Thanksgiving. I had so many sweets and treats, and my skin is definitely reflecting that. I already cleansed my skin in the shower using the Proactive Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This is amazing if you have like sensitive acne prone skin like myself. It's green tea infused, so it's not over drying or anything, which is very important for me, especially during these winter months because I do tend to have drier skin. But since I do have some active breakouts going on today, I'm going to use the Proactive Amazonian Clay Mask. This is a super powerful mask without being overly drying on my skin. Finished applying it. I'm going to keep this on for around 10 minutes or so. This mask is amazing all the time, but especially when you have like active acne and breakouts, because it pulls out all of the dirt, oil, and impurities in your skin. But it's also soothing at the same time because of the shea butter and avocado oil in it, so you also stay nice and moisturized with it. You're so cute. Cutie girl. Here's the mask dried down. You can see it like pulling all of that bad stuff out of my skin. I'm gonna go rinse it off. I will be right back. Okay, we are all rinsed, feeling fab, and you can definitely tell the shea butter is in there because my skin feels amazing, so soft. Next up, the Proactive Adapalene Gel. So this is an acne treatment. It is a very powerful retinoid that helps treat and prevent breakout. This is really going to help us out today, and I'm actually just going to put this right on the affected areas. So I just kind of put a nice thin layer over these breakouts. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some moisturizer. And I actually have two from Proactive that I really like. This is the green tea moisturizer, and then this is the ultra hydrating moisturizer. It's part of like this 3-step system. So I'm actually just going to use this one today. Like the name says, this one is ultra moisturizing. It helps like smooth and soften the skin. It actually smells really good too, and it's not like too thick of a moisturizer. It's pretty nice and lightweight. I'm also going to use the post acne scar gel just like on this big boy right over here. Perfect. But besides these few hormonal breakouts that we have going on, I've actually really been liking the way my skin has been looking and feeling lately. I've done a lot of trial and error with acne products, and one thing I've noticed about my skin is that it'll work really well with certain products for a certain amount of time, and then my skin like gets used to it and it stops working. So I've been looking for something that works consistently for me. 3-step system has been helping me achieve my skin goals, and I really appreciate how gentle it is on my skin. This little trio is incredibly hydrating, and I really like that it has the green tea extract in there, so it helps soothe my skin. And this one is probably my favorite product. This helps encourage cell turnover and prevent future breakouts. Very strong little guy. So I'll be linking the Proactive MD little trio down below if you guys want to check it out. I'll also link the post acne scar gel and the Amazonian clay mask for you guys too. I almost forgot to mention sunscreen. It's so important to get in the habit of wearing sunscreen daily, but especially with these products that I'm wearing today, want to make sure your skin is nice and protected. Even if you're not going outside, I still wear sunscreen every single day. And a little lip oil. Boba, do you know what time it is? You know what time it is? It's smoothie time. So I found this smoothie recipe on Pinterest. I will link it down below if you guys want to try it, but it's a tropical green smoothie. It is so freaking good, very tropical. It tastes like a little treat. It's also just like the most beautiful color ever. He's all over the place. Weather is crisp. And free the speed. Wow. Just started some laundry, but it's already getting dark out. It's like 5 p.m. but daylight savings makes it midnight. Productive man.
Just doing the dishes, Hailie.
We're going to wind down for the night, even though it's only 5. We're gonna make a quick and easy dinner today and just kind of relax, catch up on some H3, and that's how we're ending our post-holiday week.
I feel Philly, so today, knowledge that you may notice